Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Mazda CX-30. First, ensure you have safety gloves and eye protection, along with a good set of jumper cables. Position the assisting vehicle so its battery is close to your Mazda's, but not touching. Both vehicles must be completely turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brake engaged. This prevents accidental movement and electrical surges. Now let's connect the cables. First, attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your Mazda's dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Next, connect one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Mazda, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the assisting vehicle. Let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your Mazda's battery slightly. After this, try to start your Mazda CX-30. If it doesn't start on the first attempt, turn off the ignition, wait another 2 to 3 minutes and then try again. Do not crank the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time. Once your Mazda CX-30 starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. Remove the black clamp from your Mazda first, then the black clamp from the assisting vehicle. Next, remove the red clamp from the assisting vehicle, and finally, the red clamp from your Mazda. Drive your Mazda for at least 20 minutes to allow the battery to recharge, and consider having your battery checked soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.